In this video, we'll show you how to access customer support using our Troubleshoot feature. The Troubleshoot feature is designed to gather all essential information from the user that our customer support representative would need in order to solve a certain query. To get a query solved or answered, head over to mobimatter.com/troubleshoot. If you're facing issues with an existing eSIM, you will click Yes here and proceed. Then, you will enter your order number and follow the prompts. The Troubleshoot prompts would guide you through a series of suggestions, questions, and status updates based on what you answer along the way to narrow down the problem. These are just a few examples of how the process looks like. Just keep selecting the right prompt for your query and keep proceeding. You may also be asked to upload screenshots of your eSIM settings on the phone for further knowledge on the problem for customer support. Ultimately, by filling information in a form like this, you will open a ticket, and our customer support team will reach out to you via email. Even if you have a general query that isn't related to a particular eSIM, you can still open a ticket, like this, and the customer support staff will reach out to you via mail. Sometimes, because the Troubleshoot will guide you throughout the process, you may be able to resolve the issue yourself without having the need to contact customer support at all. And that's how MobiMatter's automated eSIM troubleshoot feature is helping users enjoy seamless connectivity during their travels. Follow MobiMatter for more tips and tricks and make the most of your eSIM experience.